Mga ka-property, alam po ba nila ang pinagkaiba ng reservation fee at ng earnest money? Good morning, good learning everyone. This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. Usually, ginagamit po ang term na reservation fee kung tayo bibili sa developer or seller ng townhouse project, housing project, or condominium project. Reservation fee is used to lock in yung gusto po nating bilhin na property sa isang developer. Di ba po? Reservation fee, then after 30 days, we pay the down payment, then we pay the remaining balance in cash or loan financing. While ang earnest money naman po, commonly po siyang ginagamit to lock in a property sa isang individual seller when you're buying the property in full cash term. Earnest money, then after 2 to 4 weeks, binabayaran po natin ng buo in full cash ang property. Basically, pareho lang po sila. Reservation or earnest money is our first step payment in buying a property or to lock in the property to us. Kayo mga ka-property, ano po ang mas gusto nilang ilagay sa contract nila? Reservation agreement or earnest money? Pakitype naman po sa comment section below. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa ating lahat.